decorators, welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we will show you how to create this beautiful Arabic night setup. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First, let's put our Kiara boards in place. We chose different Kiara board shapes for our video for asymmetrical look and more dimension. You can find a video on how to make them in this bundle. Now let's put an upright part of the pipe and drape base in between. That will be our base for balloons. You can also find a 101 on pipe and drape setup in this bundle. Let's get to our balloons. For this setup, we chose the following colors: Metallic Black by Sempertex, Midnight Blue by Toptex, Reflex Gold by Sempertex. We put them in 6 balloon clusters mixing sizes. We also prepared 5-inch balloon quad fillers in all colors. We also prepared 24-inch balloons in color Reflex Gold. Now I will put my clusters on the pole alternating colors. The next step would be to extend and fluff our base balloon garland. I will do so with loose clusters and loops of 260s. Simply add extra clusters to sides, matching colors. To give to our garland a visual of a floor cascade, I will continue building up my garland on the floor using 260s. I'm adding few clusters of each color in a row to get the color block effect. As soon as I got my floor extensions cover the base of my Kiaras, I will stop and finish my balloon garland with creating more depth. To do that, I will add my jumbo balloons, matching color, and a cherry on top will be my 5-inch quad fillers. My main rules here are to add my baby fillers at the tip of every extension and to hide the imperfections like here, shown to 60s. Our main display is finished. To make a seating area, I will simply add rugs in matching color, our picnic table. This training bundle also has a tutorial on how to make them. Decor on a table. Here I have Arabic vases and glass domes. Add pillow seating and my gold vases. In vases, I will put imitation of our tropical leaves, and guess what? A tutorial for this piece is also in this bundle. And now we will finish it off with pampas grass. And here you have it, Arabic Nights setup. Here we created that as a seating display but you can modify it in any way you want. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create, so make sure you tag Decor Lab School when you share your creations on social media. And I will see you in next video.